I want to look at homes. Great. We'd love to help you. Now, the best thing to do before you waste all your time and even waste maybe a realtor's time is first get pre-approved, get that pre-approval letter. But second is maybe utilize some tools. Now, there's, at least in my network, the real estate agents I work with, they have tools and resources where they could show you homes without you actually being at the home. Yes, that's right. You can see it through your email. There's a portal that you could have access to that will give you direct access to all the homes that meet your criteria. Have your real estate agent send you homes. Look at homes from your home or your smartphone, but look at homes as much as you can. See what the market is showing. And before you actually call a realtor and you want to actually go schedule an appointment, have at least 5 homes ready to look at that you're ready to make an offer on. So I hope this helps you, and I hope this speeds up and puts you in a better position to purchase a home. Thank you so much.